Hello and welcome to my channel Conceptual Engineering. Today we'll gonna learn about how to insert our node in between the list. So I have created a function which name is insert between. And I pass three arguments in it, which is the address of head. Uh, the first uh, the first node is present in our head. Second, the data we want to insert in our node, and third, at what position we want to insert our node. Okay, now int I, it will traverse up to the position. So I set I equal to 1, and this new node will create a new node. This temp and previous temp both hold the address of the position of that node we want to insert, and just before that node we also must know the position of previous node so that we can insert in between both of them. This three line of code will create our new node, and for traversing we have to store our address of head node. So I stored my address to the temp, so that temp will always increment to the position where we want to insert our node. This previous temp will hold the previous node, and this temp will always traversing in forward direction, and I is increment up to the position we want to insert our node. When we reach to our node, let's say we reached our node at 4th position, so we get the address of 4th node in the 3rd node. Actually, the 3rd node next part have address of 4th node, so that they both are linking to 3rd and 4th. So address of the 4th node is present in the 3rd node next. So I have to insert first I have to insert the 4th node, that position we want to insert. The position of node, let's suppose we want to insert at the 4th position. So the node which is at 4th position, we have to take its address, and the address of 4th node is present in 3rd node's next. So the temp of next is the 3rd node next, so this will insert the new node next. So this temp of next will insert the address of 4th node in the new node next. So now new node is pointed to the 4th node, and the 3rd node is pointed to the 4th node. Now we will link 3rd node to our new node. So for linking, this previous next will have the address of new node. This line will link the 3rd node to the new node. Now this both of the two line will act like a 3rd node, new node, and our 4th node. So this process will insert our new node in between the list, and at the end we return our address of the head node. Okay, then let's run the program. But before that, we have to insert our this function insert between in our main function. So I have inserted my insert between function in main function. In this I have passed the head, which is address of head node, and I inserted, let's suppose, data 3 at the position of 3. Before that I have created already a list, which is create a list already of number 5 of 5 data, and then I'll run my program. So GCC, I have already run it, so just now execute. This compiled successfully. Now I execute my program. Now I create list. Okay, this is I have created my list, and I insert data 10 at the 3rd position. The position is start from here 1, 2, and 3. So I inserted data at the 3rd position. as I passed in the.
So guys, thanks for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe this video. In the next video we will see how to delete a node in first and the last and in between the list. So thank you guys.